If you've been searching online and getting frustrated with expired codes or scam sites promising hundreds of dollars instantly, you're not alone. I've been through that too, but today I'm laying it all out so you can start earning right away. Cash App has evolved quite a bit, but the core referral system is still one of the most reliable ways to grab free cash, especially for new users. Let's start from the beginning. What exactly are Cash App promo codes and referral codes in 2026? Basically, these are special codes that new users enter when signing up or in the app's promo section to unlock bonuses. The most common one right now is that classic $5 for you and often $5 or more for the person who referred you, once you complete a few simple steps like linking a bank account or debit card and sending at least $5 to someone. It's not thousands of dollars like some shady videos claim, but it's real, legitimate free money that adds up, especially if you refer friends back. Some promotions go up to $10 or $15 depending on current campaigns, and Cash App occasionally runs bigger boosts or invites for specific actions, like using the Cash App card or trying out new features. Before we jump into the exact steps, I want to set some realistic expectations. In 2026, Cash App is focused on safe, verified users, so they'll ask you to verify your identity, link legitimate payment methods, and follow their terms. Avoid any website or person promising instant $500 or crazy amounts without effort. Those are almost always scams trying to get you to send money first or share personal info. Stick to official methods and trusted referral codes from creators or friends you know. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step process so you can claim your bonus today. First things first, if you don't have the Cash App installed yet, head over to your App Store on iPhone or Android and download the official Cash App. Make sure it's the one by Block Inc., the green icon with the $sign. Once it's downloaded, open it up and start the sign-up process. You'll need to enter your phone number or email to create an account. This is where the magic begins for new users. During sign-up or right after, you'll have the chance to enter a referral code or promo code. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, we'll cover exactly where to find that field. For right now, one working code you can try is HBQVQTQ. That's a verified one floating around in 2026 that unlocks the standard new user bonus. Another solid option is DQPNRCL or even 6GBWS4L from recent community shares. These aren't guaranteed forever since promotions rotate, but as of my latest checks, users are successfully claiming with them. Copy one of those exactly, no extra spaces. Now, once your account is set up, the next critical step is to enter that code properly. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the main screen. It's usually your picture or initials. Scroll down in the menu until you see the section labelled Promos and Invites, or something similar like Enter Referral Code. Tap on that. There should be a field that pops up asking for the code. Paste it in carefully and confirm. If it says the code is invalid, try another one, or make sure you're a brand new user who hasn't claimed a bonus before. Existing users sometimes can't claim new user promos, so a fresh account might be needed if you're trying to maximize. After entering the code successfully, the next step is to link a bank account or debit card. This is non-negotiable for most bonuses. Go to the banking section in the app, usually under the home screen or by tapping the money icon. Select Link Bank or Add Debit Card. Follow the prompts to connect securely. Cash App uses Plaid or direct login for most major banks, so it should be quick. Once linked, verify the connection by sending a small test amount or waiting for the micro deposits if that's the method they use. This step proves you're a real user and unlocks eligibility for the cash bonus. Here's the key action that triggers the money. You need to send at least $5 to someone within 14 days of signing up and entering the code. It can be to a friend, family member, or even a trusted contact who has Cash App. Don't send it to yourself or random strangers to avoid flags. If you don't know anyone, you could send it to a charity like UNICEF or a small business owner you support. The important part is completing a qualifying send of $5 or more. Once that transaction clears, the bonus should hit your Cash App balance automatically, usually within minutes to a few hours. Check your activity feed or balance to confirm. For the referrer, the person whose code you used, they also get a bonus, often $5 to $15 depending on the campaign. That's why sharing your own code later is such a great way to earn passively. Now let's talk about making the most of this. After claiming your initial bonus, explore the promos and invites section regularly, because Cash App pushes new offers there all the time. You might see boosts for using the Cash Card at certain stores, cash back on Bitcoin purchases, or even savings challenges that reward you with extra interest or bonuses. One pro tip for 2026 is to turn on direct deposit if you get a paycheck. Cash App offers early access and sometimes extra rewards for setting that up. Another big one is the Cash App card itself. Order the free debit card, activate it, and look for personalized boosts. These can be 10 to 20% off at places like coffee shops, grocery stores, or online retailers. Stack those with your referral bonus and you're saving real money every week. If you're an existing user looking for more ways to earn, focus on referring others. Go back to your profile, promos and invites, and find your unique referral code or shareable link. Send it to friends via text, social media, or email. Explain the steps clearly so they succeed, because your bonus only pays out when they complete the requirements. Some users report earning hundreds over time by building a small network of referrals. Just remember to follow Cash App's rules against spamming or fake accounts. Let's address some common mistakes that prevent people from getting their promo codes to work. First, entering the code after the 14-day window or on an account that's already been used for a referral. Second, not linking a real bank account. Third, sending less than $5 or sending to an ineligible recipient. Fourth, using VPNs or suspicious IP addresses that trigger fraud checks. Keep everything straightforward and on your normal device. Also, make sure your account is fully verified with your full name, date of birth, and SSN if prompted. This builds trust and unlocks higher limits and more promotions. Now, what about bigger bonuses or special 2026 campaigns? While the standard is $5, keep an eye on seasonal offers. Around holidays or big events, Cash App sometimes runs limited time promos like extra cash for invites or matching deposits up to certain amounts. Follow Cash App's official social media or check the app notifications daily. Some creators partner with Cash App for exclusive codes, so subscribing to reliable finance channels like this one can keep you in the loop. Another advanced strategy is using Cash App for business or side hustles. If you sell items online or provide services, the app's payment features are seamless and sometimes come with promo incentives for high volume users. Plus, their investing tools for stocks and Bitcoin have occasional deposit bonuses. Start small, learn the platform, and scale up. Let's walk through what to do if your bonus doesn't appear right away. First, double check that you met all requirements. Code entered, bank linked, $5 sent within 14 days. Then go to your activity tab and look for any pending items. You can also tap the promo section again to see status. If it's still missing after 24 to 48 hours, reach out to Cash App support through the app. They're usually helpful for legitimate issues. Avoid third-party recovery services that charge fees. For those of you in specific locations like Nigeria or other countries, note that availability varies. Cash App is primarily US focused, but expanding, so check eligibility in your region. If you're international, you might need a US linked bank or workarounds, but always stay compliant with local laws. Expanding further, let's talk about safety and best practices. Never share your PIN, signing code, or full card details. Enable all security features like biometric login. Use the app's privacy settings to control who can see your transactions. When sending money, double-check the username or $ cash tag to avoid mistakes. Cash App has great dispute resolution, but prevention is better. If you want to level up even more, consider the Cash App savings feature. They offer competitive interest rates in 2026, and sometimes promo codes or opt-ins give bonus interest or lump sum rewards for maintaining a balance. Set up recurring transfers to build that over time. Combine it with boosts on the debit card for everyday spending, and your money works harder for you. Many viewers ask if there are any promo codes for existing users beyond referrals. The answer is yes, through the Promos tab. They run things like spend and get offers, friend invites for specific features, or partnerships with brands where you earn cashback. For example, you might get $10 back after making qualifying purchases at partnered retailers. Always read the fine print for minimum spends and expiration dates. To keep this going, here's a deeper dive into optimizing your Cash App profile. Complete your profile fully, add a photo, verify everything, and explore all tabs: home, activity, payments, and investing. The more you use the app legitimately, the more personalized offers you'll receive. Some users report getting surprise bonuses just for consistent activity. If you're creating content or have a following, becoming a referral partner or sharing your code ethically can turn this into a side income. Many YouTubers and TikTokers do this successfully by providing value first, like this detailed guide, and then sharing a code. Transparency builds trust and better conversion. Wrapping up the core steps one more time in detail so it sticks. Download app, sign up with phone or email, enter a working code like HBQVQTQ in the profile promos section, link bank or debit, send $5 plus, wait for bonus. Then order the card, set up direct deposit, explore boosts, and start referring others. This process has worked for thousands in 2026, and it can work for you too. Beyond the basics, think long term. Cash App is more than just a payment app now. It's a full financial toolkit. Use it to split bills with friends seamlessly, tip service workers easily, or even run small payrolls. Each feature might unlock additional micro bonuses or improve your account standing for bigger promos. Stay updated by checking the app's blog or in-app news section occasionally. Common questions I get. Can I use multiple codes? Usually no, one per new account. Does the bonus expire? The window is tight, so act fast after signing up. Is it taxable? Small bonuses often aren't reported, but check with a tax pro for your situation if you earn a lot from referrals. For advanced users, look into Cash App's API or developer features if you're tech savvy. But for most, the consumer side is plenty rewarding. If you run into any glitches, restarting the app, updating to the latest version, or reinstalling usually fixes it. I hope this comprehensive step-by-step guide has given you everything you need to grab those working promo codes and bonuses in 2026. If you found value here, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your success story or any questions. Let me know which code worked best for you, or if you want videos on related topics like Cash App investing or card hacks.